Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Today we're going to do jackknife using your spine corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
The jackknife and the spine corrector, probably not something you learned or probably thought you ever existed, but it's something that I really wanted to get creative about when I had a lot of people who didn't have access to a mat with handles, struggling to get overhead. We've got to get our backs broader. We've got to get our backs stronger. We've got to get our backs more width. And that's what this barrel really helps us do. So if you have a mat with handles and you can get your arms into them, then that's definitely something to use. If you're struggling to get your hands into those handles, you might need to use this option to open up your back. And also then check out the cards from this OPC barrels deck where these overhead exercises exist. Make sure you check out the arm series because that is going to be key for your practice. All right, so we have jackknife today, and we've also done rollover, and eventually you'll also be able to see the control balance one on another card in another video. But you want to set up so you're on your back and your head is maybe touching the barrel. Your hands are going to be on these handles and you're going to be pulling wide. You don't want to pull down too much. That's going to compress your neck. We're going to take your legs over up to the ceiling first, then pull wide on these handles, lift the chin up, take the legs over, really get parallel to the floor, and then work the up. Try to get your toes over your eyes, then leave your toes over your eyes as you roll down, lower the legs. And again, take the legs over, lift the legs up, and then leave the toes over the eyes as you roll down. Keep reaching your arms into the handles so that you're getting a nice broad back. You're not pulling the spine corrector into your head. And then once you've got the over and the up, then try the rhythm. Over, up. And it's tempting to lose the over to focus on the up, but you want to go over, up. So always get that reach before getting up. And the rhythm is the challenge. The rhythm is the hard part. So work on the coordination of it all, and then challenge yourself with the rhythm as you get more advanced. And definitely check it out on your mat and see how you can use your whole upper body to make this exercise work. Again, with overhead exercise, we tend to think it's about our lower back or our abs. It's a whole body exercise all of the time. So if you have questions about this, you can put in the comments below. We answer our questions 9 a.m. at Pacific time here on this YouTube channel. If you're an OPC member, we answer your questions, give you feedback on your form, and hold you accountable in our own members-only community on our app. So go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube if you're not a member and you want to check us out. Have an amazing day.